Is Wurth engine oil truly worth it? Broom broom. Alright, so what's up mga pubs? This is your boy JJ Moto and welcome back to the channel. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang performance ng Wurth engine oil. So let's talk about the performance of the Wurth engine oil Triathlon 15W50. So as you would know, on my recent video, ginamit natin si Wurth engine oil for the very first time sa ating one and only Magnus, which is the CF Moto 800 MT, and it's been a while since then. Actually, bumiyahe tayo papunta sa Laia, Batangas before the year ends to actually try it out. So of course, it's definitely more than 100 kilometers that travel from Manila to Batangas, Batangas to Manila. So I think this is the right time for me to provide my input in terms of how it performed during that time and up until today. So during the time na ginagamit ko siya, I have a few checklists para masabi kong it's a good engine oil. Number one, the most important of all, of course, is the performance. How does it feel like riding the bike? Ako, ang napansin ko kay Wurth nung ginamit ko siya is that the bike feels a lot smoother, especially sa shifting ng gears. 800 MT has a quick shifter and an auto bleep. And previous na ginamit ko na engine oil, sobrang gaspang ng feel pag nag-change shift. But this one, nung pinalitan ko ng Wurth, it actually feels a lot smoother. I know maybe it's a bit too early to say, but given the time that I had with this Wurth engine oil, which is, let's just say, almost close to 300 kilometers of riding, that's how it felt. It's much smoother, and then the bike runs really smooth. That's what I noticed at first. Then number one talaga na feel ko when I use this. The bike runs a lot smoother. And number two is, of course, the engine temperature. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo alam natin ng pinaka-main na trabaho ng isang engine oil is to make sure that your engine is well lubricated. That's the number one job ng isang engine oil. And as far as I know, the second job of an engine oil is to make sure that your bike runs cooler or within the acceptable range of temperature. And I believe that Wurth does that. It hits the mark. And number three, which is last but not least, is longevity, of course. Kailangan natin, syempre, in a world where everything is expensive, you need to know whether you have an option para at the very least makatipid, but still maintaining that the quality of the engine oil you use is top-notch. So in summary, Wurth engine oil gave me a very positive impression. Number one, it gave me good performance. It gave me good cooling, which is really, really great. Kasi 800 MT has a knack of being hot. Alam mo na, kasi KTM 790 engine, talaga mainit talaga yung makina, especially in traffic. And of course, the quick shifter works smooth. It's buttery smooth, which is an awesome experience kasi may kasabihan nga sila, di ba? Once you go quick shifter, you cannot go back. And that's true. So shoutout nga pala kay Pops Lowell, nabudol natin ng 800 MT. So sabi ko sa'yo, bro, once you go quick shifter, you'll never go back. And yeah, I think that's about it. So far, it's good performance, good cooling. It makes the gearing or the shifting a lot smoother, and I hope that the longevity of this engine oil would at least last me until 4,000 to 5,000 kilometers the way I use my previous trusted engine oils. But so far, it's 9 out of 10. Kasi yung 9 because I haven't tested the longevity yet. Pero let's see if it goes on par up until like 4,000 to 5,000 kilometers bago mag-change oil, then it's gonna be 10 out of 10. And by the way, this video is definitely not sponsored. Everything that I've said thus far is my honest and true opinion. So you can purchase Wurth engine oil through their Facebook page. And also, syempre dito sa Motostrada, it only costs 800 pesos per liter. 800 pesos. It's a 15W50 SAE. It's compatible to almost all of the Japanese bike. I'm not really sure about Euro, pero I think most bikes runs in SAE. So it's compatible to almost all motorcycles, so you can definitely use it. And in terms of quality, Wurth engine oil is a very trusted brand from cars to truck up until to motorcycle. Yeah, so with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.